What if one sentence could become a complete video idea with cinematic shots, polished motion, and an edit that feels ready for your audience? Today, I will show you how I use CapCut Web, a video studio, and Seedance 2.5 to turn a simple concept into a finished AI video. You know, most creators have more ideas than time. You might want to make a product launch, a beauty ad, a short film, maybe a fashion concept, or a travel sequence, or a social media campaign, but traditional production can slow everything down. You need planning, shooting, lighting, editing, captions, music, and multiple versions for different platforms. With CapCut Web, you can move much faster because the creative process starts directly in your browser. Inside Video Studio, you can plan, generate, organize, edit, and refine your video all in one place. So let us begin. Inside Video Studio, instead of staring at a blank timeline, I start with a prompt. The goal is to describe the video I want clearly. For example, I might write, create a premium cinematic beauty video for a new lipstick with close-up product shots, soft reflections, elegant lighting, smooth camera movement, and a confident modern mood. Now that prompt gives the AI a clear direction. It names the subject, the look, the motion, and the emotion. Those four things are important. Subject tells the AI what the video is about. The look defines the visual style. The emotion explains how the camera or scene should move. The emotion gives the final clip a feeling so it does not look random or flat. Now the most important feature is custom skill creation. This is especially useful if I want my videos to stay consistent across multiple projects. To use it, I can create a custom skill by uploading references or chatting with the AI. For example, I can upload brand assets or product images, character references, style guides, or previous examples. Then I can explain the rules I want the video studio to remember, such as the brand tone, character setting, visual style, product details, content structure, or recurring campaign format. Once the custom skill is created, I can reuse it in the future projects. This means I don't have to repeat the same long instructions every time. Video Studio can remember key production rules, helping me generate videos with more consistent characters, styling, storytelling, and brand identity. Now this is very helpful for branded campaigns, IP characters, product ads, recurring social content, and any projects where consistency matters. For example, if I'm creating a lipstick campaign, I can build a custom skill that remembers that brand's elegant beauty style, soft lighting, premium close-up shots, product colors, and confident tone. Then, when I create new videos later, I can apply that skill so the results feel connected to the same brand world. Another feature I want to mention is Infinite Canvas. On the Infinite Canvas, I can upload my own materials such as scripts, images, and video clips, while AI-assisted content like drafts, visual references, briefs, and storyboards appears alongside them. One of the highlights of this upgrade is more controllable video generation and editing compared with Seedance 2.5. I can input a simple text prompt, a link, a story excerpt, join input of up to 50 full model assets or visual reference, and Video Studio can help generate a video brief, a storyboard, images, and video clips in one continuous workflow. This means I don't need to keep switching between different tools. I can build the idea, I can develop the visuals, I can move towards a complete video, all in the same creative space. Each time the maximum generation time is 30 seconds, and it can be extended twice to 90 seconds. Another useful feature is multilingual input understanding. No matter what language you use, it can understand and carry out. The Video Studio can work with different types of materials such as text, images, scripts, and visual references. Now this makes the process more flexible because I can start from whatever I already have. If I have a script, I can use it as the foundation. If I have images or product references, I can bring them in to guide the style and direction, of course. Video Studio also gives me both precise manual control and simple AI-powered editing. If I want full control, I can add, delete, adjust, and regenerate individual shots manually. But if I want to make changes faster, I can also use simple one-sentence instructions such as make the lighting warmer, shorten the intro, change the mood to luxury, or make the product reveal more dramatic. This helps handle batch edits and complex changes more efficiently. Now this is where Seedance 2.5 becomes powerful. It can help generate video scenes with more natural movement, stronger visual detail, and a more cinematic feeling. For creators like me, that means you are not limited to basic static visuals. You can create product close-ups, lifestyle moments, surreal scenes, dramatic reveals, fashion shots, futuristic worlds, or story-driven clips that feel designed rather than accidental. Once the first clip is generated, I don't treat it as the final answer. I review it like a director. I look at the framing, is the subject clear? I look at the lighting, does it match the mood? I look at the movement, is it smooth or does it feel too fast? I look at the final frame, could this become a strong ending? If something feels close but not perfect, I can refine the prompt, I can generate again. For example, if the lipstick looks good but the scene feels too bright, I might add, make the background darker, add a soft spotlight, keep the product centered, slow the camera movement, and end with a clean hero shot. Small changes like that can completely improve the result, as you can see. After I have the strongest clips, I bring them into the CapCut editor. Now this is where the AI generation becomes a real video. I trim the best moments, remove anything that feels weak, arrange the shot in the right order, and build a rhythm. You know, a good AI video still needs structure. It needs a beginning that grabs attention, a middle that builds interest, and an ending that leaves the viewer with a clear impression. For a product video, I would open with the most eye-catching shot first, and then I would show texture, detail, movement, and finally the full product reveal. For a story video, I would create a sequence of scenes that connects visually. The character, colors, lighting, and camera style should feel consistent from one shot to the next. The next step, I add text, of course. I kept it short because strong visuals should not be covered by too many words. For a beauty video, the text might say new shade, soft finished, bold confidence, and for a tech video, it might say fast ideas, smarter creation, built for modern content, right? Now the text should support the video, not explain everything. Got it? Perfect. Then I'm gonna add sound, of course. CapCut also gives access to a large video asset library, including different visual styles, AI image styles, voice options, digital human avatars, subtitles, background music, holiday music, pop music, TikTok trending tracks, and emotion melodies. I can search by keywords, preview different options, and add the music or assets that best match my video. And music changes the entire feeling of the edit. A cinematic track makes the video feel premium. A fast beat makes it feel social and energetic. A softer track makes it feel elegant or emotional. I match the cuts to the beat so the video feels intentional. Captions can also help, especially if I'm explaining the process. I would use captions for a tutorial or a voiceover or a behind-the-scenes breakdown, of course. You know, if the video is purely visual, I would keep captions minimal and let the imagery do the work. One thing I like about this workflow is that it supports experimentation. I can test different styles without committing to a full shot. I can try luxury, futuristic, minimal, colorful, cinematic, or documentary-inspired versions of the same idea. Then I can compare them and choose the one that best matches the message. This is useful for solo creators, small businesses, agencies, and anyone who needs to create more visual content without slowing down. A small brand can make a product concept, a designer can visualize a campaign, a storyteller can build a scene, a YouTuber can create a strong intro, and a marketer can quickly test several creative directions. The best results come from combining AI speed with human taste. Seedance 2.5 helps generate these raw visuals, while Video Studio helps organize the full creative process. Custom skills creation helps keep style and brand identity consistent, Infinite Canvas helps connect scripts, references, briefs, storyboards, and generated assets in one workspace. Integrated generation helps turn text, images, and ideas into a video workflow without jumping between tools. But your creative decisions still shape the final video. You decide which shots matter, what mood fits, where the edit should pause, when the music should rise, and what the audience should feel. So, my final takeaway is this. CapCut Web with Video Studio and Seedance 2.5 is not just about making videos faster, it is about making the creative process easier to start, easier to organize, and easier to refine, and easier to finish. So if you have an idea in your head, you can turn it into a visual direction, develop it on the Infinite Canvas, apply a custom skill for consistency, generate strong visual with Seedance 2.5, edit the best shots, and shape everything into a polished video ready to share. Awesome, right? Yes, indeed. And that is the real value. You don't have to wait for perfect equipment, a full crew, or a complicated workflow. You can begin with one clear prompt, guide the result with your taste, and build a polished AI video step by step. The more specific your vision is, the stronger the final result becomes. If you want to try it, check out the link in the description. Thank you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.